paradox of Achilles and the tortoise is a famous philosophical paradox that was first introduced by the Greek philosopher Zeno of Elea. It is designed to challenge our understanding of motion and the concept of infinity. The paradox begins with Achilles, a swift and agile Greek hero, who challenges a tortoise to a race. However, to make the race fair, Achilles gives the tortoise a head start. Let's say the tortoise is given a 10-meter head start. According to Zeno's paradox, Achilles can never overtake the tortoise and win the race, despite being much faster. The reasoning behind this is based on the idea of infinite divisibility and the concept of an infinite series. To explain the paradox, Zeno argues that for Achilles to reach the point where the tortoise started, he must first reach the halfway point. By the time Achilles reaches the halfway point, the tortoise has also moved a bit further ahead, let's say 1 meter. Now, Achilles must cover this additional distance, but by the time he reaches that point, the tortoise has again moved forward. Zeno continues this line of reasoning, asserting that Achilles will always have to cover the additional distance the tortoise has moved. This leads to an infinite series of smaller and smaller distances that Achilles must cover to catch up to the tortoise. Zeno's conclusion is that since there are an infinite number of these smaller distances, Achilles will never actually surpass the tortoise. No matter how many steps Achilles takes, the tortoise will always be a tiny fraction ahead. The paradox challenges our intuitive understanding of motion, suggesting that even though Achilles is faster, he can never overtake the slower tortoise. However, it's important to note that Zeno's paradox is a thought